Welcome to Senior Healing Hub, where we help older adults live stronger, move better, and stay independent. I'm your host, and today we're going to talk about something that affects nearly every senior: walking. I've worked with seniors for years, and I've seen how just a few small walking mistakes can greatly increase the risk of falling or losing balance. So today, I'll share the 3 biggest walking mistakes seniors make and what you can do to fix them. Mistake number 1. Looking down the entire time. This is one of the most common habits I see. Many seniors walk with their heads constantly tilted down. And yes, I understand why. Maybe you've got neck or back pain. Maybe the ground where you live is uneven, or you're afraid of tripping. But here's the problem. Your head weighs about 20 pounds. And when you tilt it down, all that weight shifts forward. That pulls your upper body out of alignment and moves your center of gravity in front of your body, making it much harder to balance. If something throws you off balance while you're leaning forward, it's far harder to recover than if you're standing upright. So what's the fix? Instead of staring down the whole time, practice something called scanning. That means look down briefly to check the ground, then look up again. Keep repeating this every few steps. It takes a little practice, but scanning keeps you aware of the ground without sacrificing your posture or balance. It's one of the simplest and most powerful habits to reduce your risk of falling. Mistake number 2, not using an assistive device when you need one. A lot of people resist using a cane or a walker. They feel embarrassed or think it'll make them weaker. But that's a big misconception. Here's a simple test. When you're at the supermarket, do you feel more stable when pushing a shopping cart? If the answer is yes, that's your body telling you something. You probably need extra support, like a rolling walker or a cane. That extra stability gives your body more contact points with the ground, helping you walk safely and confidently. And here's the good news. Using a walker doesn't mean you'll need it forever. In fact, when people start walking more thanks to their walker or cane, their balance often improves. I've seen many seniors go from a walker to a cane to walking independently again. So don't think of a walker as a sign of weakness. Think of it as a tool for freedom. It helps you move more, stay active, and rebuild your confidence. Mistake number 3, making dangerous turns. Believe it or not, most senior falls happen while turning. There was a study in Great Britain that looked at hundreds of fall videos in nursing homes. They found that in about 80% of the cases, the person crossed one leg over the other while turning. And that's when they fell. Crossing your legs while turning throws off your balance and increases the risk of tripping yourself. So here's what to do instead. When turning, always keep your feet apart. If you're turning left, move your left foot first, and let your right foot follow without crossing. Same for turning right. Think wide turns, steady stance. Practice this a few times a day, and it'll quickly become a natural habit. It's a small change that makes a big difference in fall prevention. These 3 mistakes. 1. Looking down too much. 2. Avoiding assistive devices when you need them. 3. Crossing your legs while turning are responsible for many of the falls and balance issues I see among seniors. But the great news is all of them can be corrected with simple awareness and practice. So next time you go for a walk, remember, scan, support, and step wide. Your body will thank you for it. If you found this episode helpful, make sure to follow Senior Healing Hub for more practical tips to help you move with confidence and age with strength. Until next time, stay active, stay balanced, and keep walking strong.